In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Haley. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm doing a little vlog. Okay, my plant needs to be watered tonight, so that's why she's looking so sad. I am vlogging today, probably the weekend. It's gonna be a fun little weekend. Me and my boyfriend are going out on a date tonight. So excited. Put a little bit of makeup together. I had work all day, so I put on some Neutrogena Healthy Skin foundation, and then I put on some Glossier Cloud Paint because you know it's a classic. What else did I put on? Oh, my Laguna bronzer from NARS, and just some mascara and brow work because they needed help. So now to my outfit. Okay, outfit check. You can't see my head, but hi, I'm here. I have on this super cute little green top, look, with the open back. That's supposed to be tucked in. Isn't that so cute? This is actually thrifted from Goodwill, but it gives me really like 70s vibes. These jeans, I really like the fit. They're actually skinny jeans, but they don't stay up that well. They're not like super tight on my waist, and so as a result, I have to pull them up every 5 seconds. But anyways, these jeans are from Zara. You'll get a better view in the mirror. And then my shoes are these little Steve Madden sandals. Super cute. I love these. They honestly are really sophisticated looking, and they're only like 30 bucks. So that is my outfit, and just threw my hair up into this little claw clip. Not sure what purse I'm gonna have yet, but this is the look. Hi.
Hello.
I'm filming you.
I like the fit.
Thanks. Let's see what Nikia's fit looks like. What does it look like? Where's everything from? Here.
H&M?
Uh-huh.
H&M.
Oh.
These are some Levi's, and then I'm wearing some Stan Smiths.
Wow.
Champs.
He just went shopping, so yeah. Okay, let's move on. We're going to Vespaio. Do you need the directions, or you already have it? Wow. All put together. Look at this big zit. Yours is.
It's starting to get.
I hate men because they have a tendency to be like, oh my god, my skin, and then they just like wash it with water. So they have like one zit every 5 years. The nasty windshield. He needs to wash his car. Someone tell him to wash his car.
Tell me to put it in the comments.
Tell me that it's my fault that it's over. Wish I played it different. I didn't know all the times that you called me to be closer. Wish I paid attention. I should have known. You're probably with your friends, dancing on tabletops. Hands in his hair already, saying that you forgot about me. I just don't wanna know who. Okay, hi. Are you tipsy?
No.
I'm a little buzzed. I had 2 glasses of Pinot Grigio. They didn't card us.
I didn't even realize I was already drinking.
Are we adults? Like, dang. Anyways, thoughts? What are your thoughts?
I liked it a lot.
The vibes were like so good. They were really, really good. But it's on South Congress in Austin. Super good. We got the prosciutto pizza and the cacio de pepe, I think is how you say it. And we also got some fries in the beginning, which they were good, but like wouldn't.
Probably shouldn't have got them.
Yeah, if we went again, we'd get a drink for an appetizer and then get a drink with our meal. Because we were a little full at the end, but it was a really good date night. Aw, I love you. Okay, update. We're at Target right now. I forgot about that. We're at Target because, like I said, I want to go on a picnic. So, we're gonna get some stuff for a picnic. I don't know when we're gonna go. It's probably gonna be a week or 2. But we just want to be prepared because I feel like picnics are very last minute.
Pretty cute.
Yeah. And so we gotta be prepared for one. I want to get a little like red and white checkered like oh, this is our leftover pizza. Beautiful. Okay, Target time. Okay, bye. We think we should get this basket for what is this?
Picnic?
For a picnic?
No.
You think this will do the trick?
No.
Not quite. Okay. Let's see if we can find something. What about this basket? This basket could work. No, it can't. It can't work. That was a joke. Magnolia home. Okay, I really, truly, this linen look, I like that. This is in the one in my apartment.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Vivo.
Yeah. Vivo be like. I think we had to come to this Target to get it.
By the way.
Where do you want to go? Where do you think they have it? I don't think we're in the right area. There's some stuff down there. Do you want to go over there? I don't know. Just stay away from this baby section. Good things do not come of this. Oh, candles. Okay. Wait, do you want a basket or?
Yeah, I don't
Oh, wait. Oh, okay. I thought there was baskets right there for some reason. Okay. We're getting vanilla bean because, you know, classic. And then I decided that we would get toasted almond caramel because it sounds good. Do you think I should get toasted hazelnut?
No.
Okay. That was really anticlimactic. Please stop.
What? I thought this would be heavy. I'm sorry. Look.
Go get your beer. Coffee. Classic. Oh, I didn't even see that up at the top. Got the goods. Okay, hi everyone. So all of you have met my friend Nicolette, who I live with, and now you're gonna get to meet my other best friend, Jasmine. This is what college be like. Okay. Her and Barry. If you look it on camera, come over here and look at this. It's literally just like a reflection.
Oh, that's creepy.
You literally can't see outside at all. We can see like outside, but y'all can't. But so you know, Friday night in college. What are we gonna do tonight, Jasmine? Just be wholesome gals. We're gonna have a glass of wine or two. You know, the wine from Vespacio is wearing off. Gotta get a move on. Okay.
You can drink some vodka.
Barry. What was that?
I like vodka, Mike.
Okay, we gotta go. We gotta go before drinks get involved. I look very washed out. Oh. Okay, hi. So we are on the way to McKinney Ruff's Nature Park. We're gonna like go on some hiking excursions. It is currently 10:15. Our plan originally was to get there at 8 because it's supposed to get so hot today. It's literally supposed to get to like 99 or something. And we were like, oh, let's go early. That way it's not so hot because it's supposed to be in like the low 70s in the morning. But we woke up at 8:30 and then didn't get up till like 9:30. And here we are. This is my fit for today. Wow, it looks like I'm wearing literally a diaper. I'm wearing this Amazon top. I can't talk. And then these Puma shorts. What is your fit details?
Nike shorts, New Balance shirt.
Nice. Okay, so we will catch y'all at the hike. Cool, bye.
Pumpkin sweet cream.
Okay, pumpkin cream cold brew. Anything else I can get you?
Okay, you want a water?
And then can I get a water bottle?
Okay.
Oh, you're getting water bottle?
Anything else?
I also just get a water.
Okay, I get a water cup, actually, not a bottle. Egg. I forgot what it was.
What, I'm sorry?
One of the egg sandwiches.
Okay, which one?
Yeah.
Which one are the options?
Oh my gosh.
Can I get the double smoked?
Anything else I can?
The reduced fat turkey bacon and cheddar.
And then can I get the reduced fat turkey bacon and cheddar too?
For sure.
And that's it.
Portion 23.
Thank you.
God, that was chaotic.
Shit,
That
they
was-
don't have the...
I know, yeah. They had in the first like menu thing, they had a picture of like what he was looking for, but they didn't have it there, so you were like,
forgot the name.
Yeah, you were like, that was horrible. God, I thought I was recording this whole time, and I wasn't. Okay, trying out the sandwich. Is it warm? Mm-hmm. Thoughts?
Really good.
You have grease on your lip. Okay, I got a reduced fat turkey bacon sandwich. Egg whites and turkey bacon, which I actually like turkey bacon as much as regular bacon. It's just different. Mine is pretty good as well. I don't know how this is only 230 calories.
Reduced fat.
But still, like the muffin and like, I don't know. Okay, bye. What?
It's also egg white.
Yeah, that's true.
Bye.
Bye. Hello guys, good morning. I am kind of tired, like physically, not like mentally. I don't know where I'm going with this, but me and my boyfriend worked out yesterday and I'm like sore from it, which I didn't really think would happen, but alas, here I am sore. I just have like a lot going on today and like this week. I wrote a whole lab report yesterday and like was studying for a while. Today I have a test on Thursday that I have to study for. Not looking forward to it, but last week I also kind of had a busy week. I had to write 2 lab reports, and so I was like, I didn't make time to go to the chiropractor, and time is ticking on my 4 alignments. So I am going to do that now, because if I don't do it on Monday, I probably won't do it, because Monday is it's my busiest day in terms of like getting things done, but I don't have anything like I have to be there at a certain time. Well, I do, but not as much. But anyways, I'm rambling. Gonna go to my chiropractor. I'll let y'all know how it goes. Just updating you on my Monday morning. Hey everyone, it is actually a little bit later. I had my chiropractor appointment. It went swell, nice and quick. That's what I like about it. It's not like a long appointment. I have been feeling lately like I'm just not getting my vegetables in, and over the summer I was juicing a lot, and I was like, you know what, I need to get back into that at least for a few days. So I'm gonna make a batch of juice today. It should last me about like 2 to 3 days, or 2 to 3 servings. And I basically used a whole head of celery, 1 whole like large-ish cucumber, 3 Granny Smith apples, a whole lemon, and a sliver of ginger. It's honestly really good. It's not too sweet and it's not too like strong and bitter. It's really good green juice, and obviously it's a nice like punch of antioxidants and vitamins, minerals, things like that. A bulk of that, and most of it's celery juice, which has a lot of great health benefits. I'm not really a health channel person, so I don't know them off the top of my head, but let's get to juicing. Okay, so I got my juice, a decent amount here, but there's definitely something like kind of wrong with this juicer. I put it on exactly how it says to do it, and it seems pretty tight, but there's juice falling out. Not falling out, flying out, I don't know what you would say, but okay, I guess it was zoomed in a little bit, but that is going to be it for the video. Just wanted to update y'all on my juicing. If you haven't ever seen me make a juice, that's how I make my juice. It's really good, really delicious. I got that juicer for 50 bucks on, I was about to say Amazon, on Facebook Marketplace. So yeah, this has been quite a vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, saw more into like my personal life, not so much like school stuff, but hopefully it was interesting. If you liked it, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like to, you know, see more. I gotta head out to my lab pretty soon, so I will just catch you guys later. Bye.